Hee I went outside today, so I want to show y'all some pictures of the little adventures of Luca. Okay, so we went to Chinatown and we were just shopping. I went to Miniso and Akiba House and got some keychains and little figures. Also, I went to Dunkin' on my way home and found a Labubu stuck to a tree. How strange. Anyway, Luca drank a big blue lemonade. It was like twice his size. Anyway, I got a Kyoko chibi figure, a Mako chibi ball keychain, and my favorite, Sleeping Shinji. He's so cute. Anyway, I had so much fun with little Luca. TMR, I'm going to the beach, so maybe if my mom lets me, I'll bring Luca again.